Hey, I had some people ask me about how to get started. So, first you're going to go to here, the nucleotides database, type in the genus, and then the gene that we're looking for, 5.8S. Obviously, I'm already there. I'm using Gyazo, so I may have to pause just to compress it all. So I'm going to find one of the ones that I'm already working on, and I'll be back. Alright, yeah, I'm using Gyazo. It's free. Anyways, I just wanted to show you from the database. That's my thoughts. So here you have these selections. This is the main one that will take you to its information about it. Just kind of giving you an idea of it. And then what we need is this one, the FASTA. Not FASTA. Anyways, you'll copy this. I'm going to copy all three of mine and put it into the document, and I'll come back. Here's the last one. So the muscle will automatically organize it alphabetically. Did I not even? I'll go to muscle. So from here you'll press Control A, Control C, and take it over here and Control V. There's one space between everything. Don't add any other things. Cool. Time is precious, so I'm gonna pause it here. Okay, that's at like 10 seconds, I think. Cool. Put it from here. You can copy paste. I mean, you can copy from here. Just copy right there. And then from here, what I would do, honestly, see, here's the mutations. I'm gonna have to cut this off. I have to completely delete this line. But here's what I finished with it. But anyways. Just Control V over here. Then what I would do, oh man, it cut me off. But from here you go through the spacer, or not the spacer, but you come through where it's not matching. And then you'll have to come over back to the document or this. So you compare the back. Well, this is going to be the front, and then this is the back. So you'd compare where that starts. Because you still have some of the sequence before the spacer one, and also on the other side. I have to delete this guy. Delete that other one next. But let's just get into the mutations. So for this one, I did just to start counting to make it a little bit easier. And the space will account for a tenth of a digit. And then what I did also is I spaced it, and I went through. I shouldn't do tabbing. These were V's. I can remember. Can't remember what A and G is. I have it in my think I have it over here. Yeah, yeah. I took a picture of it. Oh, my gene is one of my species is a clone. So K is a derogation of what was it? I think it's either G or a T. It was a derogation of one of those. Let's see. Now I remember. So you'll have to come back to the document again once you get it all formatted and then ready. You'll then have to go. Since I'm using a plant, I would go to where the underlines are, and Notepad can do this too. But mine, I remember, starts at five. I mean 6. And, but if you remember from this, it's, the act starts. Or yeah, it starts 6 back. So I'd start there. Then I'd go 6, of course. Pretty sure that's 6. Yeah, 6. And that ends the mark. I mean, that marks the end of spacer 1 and the start of the gene. So you can actually just copy, or not copy, but underline all of this. And like I was saying in the email before, it'll actually tell you the number. So the gene ends at 64. So right here, I selected 4 rows out of the document and 64 characters. So this should be where it ends. Ooh, shit. Control Z for that mistake. And then Shift, Alt, and then down, and then space again. That marks the end of the gene and the start of spacer 2. See. Alright. Once you know where everything is, that's when you can actually start learning about your mutations. As you can see, I did this. I got rid of the species and just remembered which line they're on, just so I'd be able to easily go through and track all the point mutations and the indels where the spaces. Where is it? Like right here, you have to account for 2 of them. So I put 4. And then, what is it? In the document, you have to add them by these segments and then divide them by the total number of nucleotides. I did that on a sheet of paper. Um, but then I took it into a figure just to be safe. Like I know what you're thinking. But this man wants hard, but I mean F. It really is like F. You have to start comparing the likeness and the difference. I thought that was wild. So I just wanted to be safe. All right. Well, blessed to you. I hope we all get A's. All right. Good luck.